welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you a very highly requested video over on my TikTok, and that is a hair tutorial. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you how I do my hair and how you can achieve this type of hairstyle. So first things first though, I do have layers in my hair. In order to achieve this kind of hairstyle, you need to have layers, you know? There's no way around it. You need to have layers. So my layers consist of, this is the longest one. It's about chest length, right? And then I have this one that is more so going to the collarbone, and then I have my shortest layer, which is right on my collarbone. So yeah, usually I would want my shortest layer to be around here, but I haven't had a haircut. And then I also have face framing pieces along like the whole of my hair. So yeah, so we could have that swoopy look. Okay, and then you're first gonna need a brush just to get all your hair untangled and to really even out those curls. Then second, you're gonna need one of these to separate your hair, and you only need one, just like one clip, anything, just to hold your hair up. And then third of all, the biggest player in this, you're gonna need this bad boy. Oh my god, there's hair on it. But yeah, I got this bad boy on TikTok. It's like, guys, it's real. The results are crazy, as you have seen. So to kick off this tutorial, I'm first gonna do my bangs because I also get some questions on those. So let me scoot in. Do you mind? So first, I'm gonna grab my side pieces, just separating them. Also, it's gonna really show a vulnerable side of me because I'm gonna be showing you guys my real self, aka my ears. So yeah, so we're just gonna, I start off with my side pieces. I take my straightener, and then I just go in like that, tilt it a bit. There we go. And then onto the other side, I'll show it a bit better how I tilt that thing. So I start from here, I go down, and then about right here, I just twist it. You just gotta twist it. It's on the flick of the wrist. Alright, so then I go up here, I get my main parts. Sorry, my bangs look choppy as fuck, but that's the charm of it all. So I get them here. I start at the root. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. Oh my god, you can hear my dogs. So you're gonna end up like this, but don't worry. You go in with your brush and you even it all out. So yeah, that's how I do my bangs. Oh, there you go. So yeah, that's how I do my bangs. Now, let me warm up this guy. Meanwhile that's heating up, let me show you how to part your hair. So personally, I always start from my bottom layer just because it'll be a bit harder to start, and then you get it all mixed up, all that. So yeah, so we start right here and then just take the other half. So we're just gonna take that and just try your best to separate it. It doesn't have to be nice and neat, you know. Part of the beauty of this hairstyle is that it's not like your clean girl nice and neat-esque. Yeah, just try to separate it as well as you can. Twist it up. And also I like twisting it up like this because like you get the other side of the hair and it creates like volume on this side, and then once you do this side it'll be the same thing. So yeah, and then now we part this piece that we just parted, brush it out a bit because I could feel it a little knotted. Then we part it in two. So the one that is most near your face will be the one that will go this direction, and the one on the outside will be going this direction. So now that my thing is cool, I just take the first one, I line it up, line that thing up, and then just twirl. And then I like to just move it a bit. I don't know why. I just think it works best. So yeah, you go in. Also be careful right here. Your hair sometimes gets stuck if you do bite this. Dubai. This. So yeah, right there we have our first curl. So for this one, you're just gonna let your hair like fall how it's naturally, and then from there you go. So as you can see right here, my hair falls like this. So in order to do this side, the curl, I'm just gonna go like that. Take it, don't move your hair, okay? Because then it's when you finish curling it's just gonna go like different directions, as you guys just saw. You always learn something every day. Yeah. Rolling. Oh my god. And then just adjust it a bit. Hell yeah. There we have it. So now you can see like how it's just gonna keep on going for every layer that you put it. So let's do the second one. So right here, I see it right here. Curl this thing up. Okay, so now for this one, I like to just curl it all out first. So here we are. I curl, and I roll. It's all in the rolling. So keep at it, girls. So we're just gonna chase this. Okay. And voila, right there. Now, most important thing, you take the one that's nearest to your face again, and you curl it inwards to get that face framing effect. Because I think even if you don't have face framing pieces, you could still do this as long as you have your layers. So there we have it. Right there we have. All right, let me just curl this a bit more. I could use a little more curl. Yeah. Also, don't forget your heat protected. I forgot to say that. So if you're already doing it, sorry, I'm so sorry. You still have the rest of your hair to save. It's okay. And then now part that thing again. Twist it so you don't get confused. And then twist this one up. Again, capture the other side's roots, the roots from the other side, so they could be lifted. So you can have that volume. That cranial blade, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. So now, again, we're just gonna do this one outwards. Oh my god, what the fuck. Now we're just gonna do outwards curl. Fuck. I'm pulling my hair. It doesn't hurt as much, it's just like an annoying tug, you know? Yeah, we're just gonna do this. There we go. Oh shit. That one was nice. Take the face, take a little part, the front, roll it in, roll it in, roll it in, roll it in. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and then, oh, this did not get fucking rolled in. Remember, back pieces rolled out, in pieces rolled in. Oh, owie. That's why you have to keep brushing your hair throughout this whole entire process, because it does get a little matted. Yeah, there we have it. Let's go on to our next one. And this is gonna be our second to last piece. Okay, again, doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best to part those layers. Okay, we roll out everything out. Okay, let me just retouch over here again, and feel free to retouch anywhere that you would like it to be curlier. Also, I think you can use a straightening iron for this. So yeah, because all you have to do is roll. It's all in the roll, okay? You could also do it with the rolled brush, and then what is it called? Oh my god. A blow dryer. Yes. And again, now for our last layer, we're gonna do the exact same thing we've been doing for the last few layers. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Now, last step, take inward piece, roll it in. There we go. So now, oh, let me retouch. It's not as rolled as I've wanted to. And for this one, you could, to roll, oh, my mom's phone. So yeah, that's this side, as you can see. So now we're just gonna repeat it over on this side. Also, while I'm doing this, I don't know when this video will be up, but if it's uploaded soon, please comment down below what you would like to see for a 100 subscriber special. Yeah, honestly, I'm like so giddy and excited because right now I'm at like 90 subs. And I'm just like, oh my god, like I can't believe it, you know, like even the fact, like at 30 subs I was like, dude, 30 people care about this, like what the hell. You know, like of course, like I don't want to question myself, you know, I want to think, oh, of course, like you deserve it, but at the same time I am crazy, and I'm like, what, like it's like hard to believe that, you know, like what if y'all are just fake and like pranking me and someone bought me subscribers as a prank? So yeah, so I'm like, I can't believe it. So yeah, I'm just little rant, but I'm just so grateful for everyone that finds a slight interest in my videos, you know. So yeah, what would you guys like to see for a 100 sub special? Because you know what I'm thinking of mukbang, but I don't know what I would do or say. Well, I know, okay, girl, I'll probably eat per chance, but I'll be eating for sure. But like, will it be silent? Like, what am I gonna be talking about, you know? So yeah, and I was like thinking of a Q&A, but I was like, honestly, I feel like I should do that once I have more of a community going on, you know? So yeah, so yeah, so I'm thinking about the mukbang, but I don't know what I would do. Of course eat, but you get me, the content of it all. Yeah, if you have any other ideas or like better ideas, please comment them down below. Let me know, DM me, everything. Also, I'm thinking of also doing a draw my life, but I think that should be until I have a bigger community and to have a community that really is interested, you know, because right now I have 4 videos uploaded, you know, so like, of course, videos uploaded. So yeah, I still have a long way to go in my YouTube career. Oh, that one was good. So with that last curl, there we have it. That is how I do my hair. Let me show you in better lighting. So this is how my hair turns out. So yeah. Nobody does it like you. I like the way that you. Sorry, the TikToker in me. Yeah, and then afterwards, you could just add some oil to really define the curls, but I don't have any at the moment, so yeah. Yeah, I think some oil will look even better than this. So yeah, let me know if you guys try it or if you get layers. Let me know. And yeah, this has been my hair tutorial. Highly requested hair tutorial. Ow, ow, ow. Sorry, I'm like messing it up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of it or anything. Comment down anything. And well, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.